Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a feeling log in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Notion. So once you have simply tapped open your Notion, you can simply get logged in into your account as well. So once you have logged in into your account, you can create a new page and a database. So in Notion, you need to simply tap on the new page option and create it. Now you can type in the name of this new page as feeling log. Once you have typed in this heading, you can simply now choose templates or like add customizable properties. You can simply name it, have a date in it, and you can simply write how your feeling is or your mood is. You can also give it a rating, which is completely optional, and create context and note. Now you can optimize the view, like you can sort data entries by date, property, and different kind of order. After this, you can create a template for new entries as well. You can simply tap on the next to the plus button in the database title bar and click on the drop down arrow. After this, you can name the template today or new feeling log entry and pre-fill it with prompts like what happened, what am I grateful for, or lesson learned. So you can set this template as default feeling log database and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.